Smart English for Daily Life. 10 must-know phrases. Hello and welcome back. If you're learning English and want to sound more natural, confident, and fluent, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 smart, practical English phrases that you can use in real-life situations every day. These aren't complicated textbook expressions. These are the real phrases native speakers use at work, with friends, and in everyday conversation. Let's get into it. 1. I'll get back to you on that. What it means. This phrase is a polite way of saying you don't have the answer right now, but you will find out and respond later. It's especially useful in professional situations when you're asked for information or a decision and need time to check. Why it's smart. Instead of saying I don't know, which might sound unprepared, this phrase shows maturity, responsibility, and communication skills. It's respectful and professional. When to use it? During meetings at work, when a manager or colleague asks something in academic discussions in emails or text responses. Example. Manager. Do you know if the new budget is approved? You. Not yet, but I'll get back to you on that by this afternoon. This shows you're taking responsibility and following up instead of leaving them hanging. 2. No worries. What it means. This phrase means it's okay, no problem, or don't worry about it. It's an easygoing and informal response when someone apologizes or thanks you for something. Why it's smart. It helps you sound relaxed and friendly, which builds better connections. It's more casual and positive than saying, that's fine, or it's okay. When to use it? When someone apologizes for being late. When someone says thank you to show you're not upset about something minor. Example. Friend. Sorry I spilled water on your notes. You. No worries. I've got digital copies too. You show that you're calm, forgiving, and easy to talk to. 3. It's up to you. What it means. You're giving the decision-making power to someone else. It's a way of saying, I'm okay with anything. You decide. Why it's smart. It shows flexibility and respect for the other person's preferences. Native speakers often use this to avoid being pushy. When to use it. While making group plans. Choosing where to eat, what movie to watch, etc. Letting others feel comfortable making choices. Example. Friend. Do you want to hang out on Saturday or Sunday? You. I'm free both days, it's up to you. You make it easier for the other person to choose without pressure. 4. Fingers crossed. What it means. This is an idiom meaning, I hope things go well, or let's hope for the best. Why it's smart. It's a light and optimistic expression that shows support and empathy. You're not just saying good luck, you're emotionally invested. When to use it. When someone is about to do something important, interview, test, trip. When talking about hopes or chances. Example. Friend. I submitted my visa application today. You. Nice. Fingers crossed you get approved quickly. It adds a warm, emotional touch to the conversation. 5. Let's catch up soon. What it means. You're suggesting that you'd like to meet or talk again soon to share updates. Why it's smart. It keeps relationships open and friendly without committing to a specific time. It's especially common in casual and semi-formal conversations. When to use it. After bumping into an old friend. At the end of a conversation when saying goodbye after a brief meeting. Example, colleague. We should grab coffee sometime. You. Definitely. Let's catch up soon. It expresses interest in maintaining a connection without pressure. 6. That's a good point. What What it means. This phrase is used to show agreement with someone's idea or to acknowledge a strong argument. Why it's smart. It shows active listening, respect for others' opinions, and emotional intelligence. It keeps conversations collaborative, especially in group discussions. When to use it. Group work, meetings, debates. When someone raises an idea that deserves recognition. Example. Coworker. We should consider mobile users in our design strategy. You. That's a good point. A lot of people use phones more than computers. You're building on their idea in a thoughtful, respectful way. 7. I'd rather not say. What it means, you are politely refusing to answer a question that's too personal or uncomfortable. Why it's smart. It helps you set boundaries without being rude. It's more graceful than saying, "That's none of your business." When to use it. When someone asks about personal matters, money, politics, etc., in professional or formal settings where privacy matters. Example, acquaintance. Who did you vote for in the election? You. I'd rather not say. I try to keep politics private. You stay polite and firm at the same time. 8. Let's play it by ear. What it means. It means, let's decide what to do later, depending on the situation. Why it's smart. It shows that you're flexible and don't need to plan every detail in advance. This is very common in informal conversations. When to use it? Making loose plans with friends. When things are uncertain. When you want to leave your options open. Example. Friend. Should we book movie tickets now? You. Let's play it by ear. We'll see how we feel after dinner. You stay open to change and keep the vibe casual. 9. I'm just browsing. What it means. You're telling a salesperson that you're looking around and not ready to buy anything yet. Why it's smart. It avoids awkward or pushy sales conversations while sounding polite and confident. When to use it, in shops, malls, or bookstores, when you want to shop at your own pace. Example, store employee. Can I help you find something? You. Thanks. I'm just browsing for now. You come across as polite and relaxed. 10. It's not my thing. What it means. This is a softer, more respectful way to say you don't enjoy or like something. Why it's smart. Instead of saying, I hate it, you're keeping the tone friendly and avoiding conflict. Native speakers often use this phrase to politely disagree. When to use it. When someone invites you to something you don't enjoy, expressing your preferences without sounding negative. Example. Friend. We're going hiking this weekend. Want to come? You. Thanks, but hiking's not really my thing. It's a smooth way to say no while keeping the friendship warm. Final thoughts. Fluent doesn't mean fancy. Using these phrases made a huge difference in how I speak English every day. Not only did I sound more fluent, I started to feel more fluent too. I realized fluency isn't about long, complex sentences. It's about connection, confidence, and knowing what to say in real life. Here's a challenge for you. Pick 3 phrases from this list. Use them in real conversations this week, with friends, colleagues, even shopkeepers. Pay attention to how others respond and how natural you feel. The more you practice smart English, the faster you'll build confidence and fluency. And remember, you're not just studying English, you're using it, you're living it.